In my last video, I showed you how to set a custom background for your new tab pages in Firefox. This time, I'll show you how to add custom live wallpapers to your new tab pages. The first thing you want to do is open up your Firefox and go to About, Config. You'll get this warning, accept the risk, and continue. You want to type in Style Sheets and enable Legacy User Profile Customizations. Double click that to make it true. And then go to About Profiles. Look for the version of Firefox that you're using. I'm using Nightly, so open up the root directory. And if you don't have a folder called Chrome, go ahead and make it. And inside that folder, create a folder called Wallpapers or whatever you want. This is where you're going to store your live wallpapers. And then you want to make a file called User Content CSS. Open up that file. And inside that file, you want to copy and paste this bit of CSS. I'll have a link in the description with the CSS code. Basically, you're going to change the new tab, the home tab, and the private browsing tabs. And you want to set the background image URL. Let's first add some wallpapers here. I've got some live wallpapers that I want to use. Let's start with the soul one. Then just change the URL to wallpapers and whatever image you want to use. Close Firefox and restart it. You should see your new live wallpaper. Here it is on my home, my new tab, and in my private browsing. You can even use live wallpapers or animated images from on the web. For example, here's a website that I found that has really nice looking looping animated GIFs. If I select one of these GIFs and use this as my live wallpaper by changing this URL, saving that out and restarting Firefox again, go to a new tab, and we see it's now affecting my new tab. You can even give each tab their own custom live wallpaper by splitting the CSS. Again, both versions of the CSS will be linked in the description. Let's add some wallpapers to the new tab and private browsing, but keep the home tab the same. Go back to my wallpapers folder here. I'll add the Silver Goku and Goku Vegeta image. Notice I'm working with animated AVIF image files. You can use GIFs or animated WebP. Then just come in here and update the CSS. For the new tab, I'll set that to the Silver Goku. And for the private browsing, I'll set that to the Goku Vegeta. Save that out. Restart Firefox. And for our new tab, we got the Silver Goku. And for our private browsing, we got the Goku Vegeta image. There's a lot of websites that offer live wallpapers that you can download and use, but most of these websites offer video which you would need to convert into an animated image in order to use them as live wallpapers for Firefox. You can use an online converter such as EasyGIF.com, an online converter to convert videos to animated GIFs, and essentially you just find the wallpapers that you like. For example, here's one that I wanted to use. Upload it to a site like EasyGIF. Then set some options, hit convert, and we have our animated GIF. We'll save that out, move that on over to our wallpaper folder, and update our CSS. Close Firefox. And now we have our new background. Let me get rid of some of this stuff so you can see better. Now this is nice and all, but it's not the best quality and the frame rate is really bad. I'd like a higher quality, better frame rate image. You can use a program like GIFski in collaboration with FFmpeg to turn video into high quality animated GIFs, or a program like APNG Assembler